The vocal tract is a highly specialized set of structures in the mouth and upper respiratory system that enables humans to do one of the things we do best: talk. Talking starts with air being exhaled from the lungs. This air travels up into the trachea and then passes through the larynx, which sits at the top of the trachea. To turn air into speech, we have a few different ways of restricting or stopping airflow to create different sounds. The larynx contains muscles that allow us to manipulate the arytenoid cartilages and bands of tissue called the vocal cords or vocal folds. We can modulate the pitch, volume, and tonal quality of our voices by using the muscles of the larynx to regulate the tension of the vocal folds and change the amount of space between them. The vibration of the vocal folds when air moves between them is called phonation. Once the stream of air moves from the larynx and into the pharynx and oral cavity, we can use the tongue, the structures of the oral cavity, the lips, and even the nasal cavity to modify it further. The tongue is composed of 4 intrinsic muscles, but it also has 4 extrinsic ones that allow it to move in a wide variety of ways. Different parts of the tongue can fully or partially stop the airstream in the oral cavity by coming in contact with the oropharyngeal wall, soft palate, hard palate, alveolar ridge, and teeth. Sounds produced this way are called consonants. In contrast to consonants, vowel sounds don't require the airstream to stop. Instead, they rely on the tension of the tongue and its position in the oral cavity, as well as whether or not the lips are rounded. This changes the quality of the sound produced by changing the shape of the space the air passes through as it leaves the oral cavity. The nasal cavity also plays a role in producing certain consonants and vowels. Lowering the velum, or soft palate, lets air escape through the nasal cavity instead of, or in addition to, the oral cavity. Learn more about the structures that help us speak with the 3D Models and Animations Invisible Body Suite.